Every day, garage repair pros depend on parts that arrive on time and perform in the field. That's why G.A.S Hardware builds premium torsion springs, built for strength and durability, and come in our premium exclusive packaging, available in both galvanized and E-coated finishes. Designed to resist corrosion and stand up to demanding environments. Engineered for strength, balance, and long-cycle performance. Delivering smooth, reliable door operation and reducing callbacks with durability rated up to 70,000 cycles. Designed to boost your revenue. The original G.A.S Hardware.